Your HP Deskjet 4100 is acting up, and you're wondering if the reset could fix the problem. Maybe it's frozen, having trouble connecting, or just not working the way it should. The good news is, resetting it is pretty simple and doesn't require any special tools or technical skills. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple methods, starting the easiest one and moving to more thorough options if needed. By the end, your HP Deskjet 4100 should be back to normal, and if you still need help, just call the numbers on the screen. Otherwise, let's get started. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Method 1. Button Reset. Make sure your printer is plugged into power outlet and has power running to it. Locate the X button on your printer and the Wi-Fi button on the control panel. Press and hold both the X button and the Wi-Fi button at the same time for at least 15 seconds without realizing them. Watch the power button on your printer. When it starts flashing, reset process is complete. Release buttons and wait for a moment for your printer to restart with the new settings. If the button reset doesn't fix your problem, don't worry. Let's try the power cycle next. Method 2. Power cycle reset. Unplug the power cable from the back of your printer to disconnect it completely. Also, unplug the power cable from the wall socket to ensure all power is cut off to the printer. Wait for at least 1 minute while the printer sits unplugged and completely discharged. Plug the power cable back into the wall socket first, then reconnect it to the back of the printer. Press the power button to turn on your printer and test if the issue has been resolved. If the power cycle reset didn't work, let's try the hard reset using the control panel buttons. Method 3. Hard reset using control panel. Make sure your printer is turned on properly and ready before starting the hard reset process. If the printer isn't on, press the power button and wait for it to fully power up and be ready to print. Now, press and hold down the power button and cancel button on your printer's control panel at the same time for 3 seconds. Release the cancel button first after holding for 3 seconds, but continue holding the power button. After a short moment, release the power button as well to complete the hard reset process. Your HP Deskjet 4100 factory reset is now complete and all settings have been restored to the default values. Wait a moment for your printer to fully reinitialize, then test it to make sure everything is working properly. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.